Good afternoon. This is the radio. You pilots have permission to take off? Yes, radio. We're in the cockpit. Yes, we're putting the radio on. We hear you very well. We're on the runway. Yes, the throttle is on. We're on the runway. We're pushing the pedal a little harder. Co-pilot, you ready? Yes, co-pilot, I'm ready. Yes, throttle on. Yes, brakes off. Yes, pushing the buttons. I know, what one? Yes, look out your window. No airplanes in front of us. This is the radio. You have permission to take off. Yes, we hear you very clear. Yes, just changing gear. Yes, it's all ready. It's all ready. I'm pushing the pedal, pushing the throttle a little harder. Airplane is on 60 kilometers. I'm pushing a little harder. It's on 80. Co-pilot, relax. I'll take over. Thank you. You steer. I'll push the pedal. The throttle going faster. We're going faster, co-pilot. Are you ready? We're on 100 kilometers now. Are you ready? Yes. Pull up, co-pilot. Pull up, pull up. I'm pushing, co-pilot. Here we go. Slowly now. Slowly now. The airplane will rise now. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're going higher now. Ask the stewardess to let the passengers fasten seatbelts. Here we go. That's it. We're in the sky. Thank you. That was co-pilot. Thank you. Have fun.